I won't stop this my security work. I won't quit.
I need a job done. There is a line in state tomorrow at 4 p.m. The necklace will be on the body.
Do you want me to borrow the ready for 200k?
Poverty na bastard. I go run away.
Jesus. Why are you running?
With the old people. With the old people.
You must pay me my money today.
Bless you, we will try here.
Don't let me down, baby. Please, don't let me down. I'm counting on you, baby.
You are not Chibuike's wife? Oh God, they don't scam you. No, go thief this thing, come out.
How do you get your number, self?
That woman near cookie. She go die fasted. Gold well worth 200 and something million naira.
You robbed it there.
Protect me from one.
One day you're back now.
Is that how you return her belongings? Or you end